Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on and off in-app sounds on the Tumblr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this last icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Click at the top again, click on General Settings, which is the first option. Then as you scroll down, you can find this sounds option. Tap on it, and here you can turn on and off to sounds such as notification sounds like bloops and vibrations when you get a message. As you can see now, it is turned on, but if you want to turn it off, just tap on the blue button and it will turn gray. You can also turn on and off the in-app sounds, these noises. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.